Hello and welcome back to EV5280. Today we're at Bob Gillingham Ford picking up a 2022 F-150 Lightning. This is a small family-owned dealership, highly recommended, great people, easy to work with. This is our road trip. We're going to travel about 1,500 miles getting this vehicle back to Colorado. As we get on the road today, we know that it's going to be cold and it's going to be snowing. We're also going to charge exclusively at Electrify America if we can. We have alternate paths just in case we run into any issues, but we've done this in the past with good results, so here we go. One of Ford's new features on their new vehicles is Ford Blue Cruise. I really hadn't given it much thought, but I got to try it out on this road trip and I have to tell you, it's a game changer. As we wrap up this road trip, I'd have to say we had pretty good charging sessions. Really only had a problem at our last stop in Fort Morgan, Colorado. Had a hard time getting the vehicle to charge, but once we did, we were on our way. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you out on the road.
We made this. Thanks for watching.